Exploring English. Mastering the use of each, every, either, and neither. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to dive deeper into the fascinating world of quantifiers, specifically focusing on each, every, either, and neither. We'll examine their usage in context and also share some additional resources for further learning. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's quickly recap the basic concepts. Each and every are used to talk about all the members of a group or all parts of something. They emphasize individual members within a group. Either and neither, on the other hand, are used when we are talking about two things or people. Remember, either is used in positive sentences while neither is used in negative sentences. We often use each and every interchangeably, but there are slight differences. Each emphasizes individual items in a group, while every refers to a group of items as a whole. For example, each student must submit their project by Friday, and every student must submit their project by Friday may convey similar meanings but with slightly different emphases. When it comes to either and neither, they refer to a choice or absence of a choice between two items. For instance, you can have either chocolate or vanilla ice cream. Here, either presents a choice. Contrastingly, neither John nor Mary is available for the meeting. Here, neither indicates an absence of choice, since none of the two people mentioned are available. To enhance your understanding, we encourage you to look for more examples of these quantifiers in use. Try to find them in books, newspapers, and even in everyday conversations. Practicing these quantifiers in real-life contexts is extremely helpful for retention. Also, try creating your own sentences using each, every, either, and neither. This will not only improve your understanding but also boost your confidence in using these words correctly. Assess your understanding by creating sentences using each, every, either, and neither, and share them in the comments below. We'll review them and provide feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that brings us to the end of our session today. Hopefully, you now have a better grasp of the usage of each, every, either, and neither. Keep practicing and remember, the journey of mastering a language is filled with discovery and learning at every step. Stay tuned for more videos in our series. Until next time, happy learning!